What you're looking at there, folks, are Dicksonia antarctica. Those are smaller, younger specimens. There's actually several in that clump and several in that clump. That's just the way we got them. I noticed Wendy's planted some myrtle there. That's true evergreen myrtle. There's boxwood, green with some variegation in that one. Also another myrtle. And if you live in a similar growing zone, plant these tree ferns in a sheltered location. And these ones have overhead protection, lots of big cedar trees and native arbutus and some fir trees over top. And if you're going to plant them out in the open, you probably want to protect them a little bit more. It's the inner crowns that are pretty tender when you got a heavy frost, but in this area, frost is very seldom that you see any heavy frost, so they're going to be just fine. They're in deep, rich soil. And just water them well through the dry summer months. So those are baby Tasmanian tree ferns, or Dicksonia antarctica. We have about a dozen of these in our garden, and our oldest is probably over 50 years old, and we planted that one. I planted it over 25 years ago now, and it's doing very well. It has 6 feet of trunk on it, and we will never see these get 6 feet of trunk on them because we will be long gone. But somebody else may see them get 6 feet of trunk. They're pretty slow growers, but they do pump out a lot of fronds every year. And they're a really nice addition. These ones are growing in a dappled light, partial shade, and they do get some morning sun. And they also get late afternoon sun as well, which is just perfectly fine as long as, like I say, you keep them watered. And the soil is pretty rocky here, so I actually had to mend it well when we planted those. All right. Thanks for watching, folks, and try some Tasmanian tree ferns in your own garden. They are a long-term Zone 9A species, a nice evergreen fern here for the Gulf Islands in the sheltered belts. Cheers, and happy gardening.